this episode, we're asking the question, what are some parts of the respiratory system? Some parts of the respiratory system include nose, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, alveoli, and lungs. When the oxygen enters our body, it enters through our mouth or our nose. Our nose and all the little cavities around it with our sinuses help to moisten the air and get it the right temperature before it hits our lungs. Remember, if air is too dry when it hits our lungs, it dries out our lungs and we don't get as much oxygen. Then the air travels with each breath down through our pharynx, which is at the back of your throat. This is where your nose and your throat come together. At that point, the air is also being adjusted by your body for the right temperature and moisture. Then the air travels past the pharynx to your larynx. Your larynx is composed of your vocal cords, which vibrate to help make noise. It also has your epiglottis, which helps shut off your airway. So it tells the food and water to go down your esophagus to your stomach instead of down your trachea to your lungs. The larynx separates food and water from air, and it helps you make noises, like me right now while I'm talking to you. I'm using my larynx. Beyond that, there's a tube that goes down called the trachea, which is shielded and is held open by rings around it. And then it splits to each lung. At that point, it goes into your bronchi with your lungs, and then into your bronchioles, and finally into your alveoli, where the oxygen enters the bloodstream. These are all really important parts of your respiratory system. Isn't it amazing how God made all of these different systems in our body to support our lives and work together? One of the ways I show how thankful I am is to take the best care of my body I can. So take great care of your lungs and your respiratory system, so it'll serve you for a lot of years so you can serve Jesus. I'm Joel Thomas. This has been Science Foundations, and I'll see you next time.
You've been watching the short versions of Science Foundations. We have full lab videos that can be streamed on our Patreon page or downloaded from our online store. Use the links below to access them. Buy the entire set of 75 episodes of Science Foundations, or just one episode or season at a time as you need them. In addition to the lab videos, we provide you with accompanying educational resources, such as PDF fillable student study guides and teacher guides filled with glossary terms, study guide key answers, suggested home experiments, and field trip ideas. We're constantly adding new resources, such as coloring pages and word finds. We're here to help your students get the most from these great episodes. Get all of them on our Patreon page or our online store.